Let me clear something up, humans. I didn't choose them to be mysterious or dramatic or mean. I chose them because they did nothing. Yes, that one. The one sitting quietly, not calling my name, not making weird noises, not waving hands in my face like I'm a toy. Perfect. You see, when a human stares at me too hard, leans forward and says, "Here, kitty, kitty, kitty," my brain says, "Danger. Why are you trying so hard? What do you want from me? Why are your eyes like that?" But the other human, they don't look at me. They don't talk to me. They don't even notice me. Suspicious, but calm. So I walk over, slowly, casually, like it's not a big deal. I sit next to them, not on their lap, not touching, just close enough. And suddenly, everyone gasps. Why does the cat like them? But I've been calling you all day. I love cats. Yes, I can tell. That's the problem. You see, humans who try too hard have loud energy, sticky energy, grabby energy. The quiet one, they have space. And I like space. When I sit next to the human who ignores me, they freeze. They stop breathing a little. Good. They respect the moment. They don't touch, they don't move, they just exist. That's when I lean in more. Not because I'm playing games, because now I feel safe. The human who wanted me all along is now very confused. "Why won't you sit with me?" they ask. I look at them. "You were loud. You were fast. You wanted too much. I like calm. I like quiet. I like being chosen without being chased." Eventually, the quiet human slowly reaches out. Slow, careful, acceptable. So here's the truth, humans. I don't choose the one who ignores me because I'm cruel. I choose them because they listened, without trying. Now please stop staring. I might come back.